Hi! Coming at you with a super easy lesson today. Finding a part of a whole. We do this without knowing about it, thinking of it as a fraction. For example, if I were to say I need half of the sandwich. Well, if you broke your sandwich into half, you would have 2 pieces. 1/2 is just 1, and the whole thing has 2 pieces. Any numbers can be made into a fractional part of the whole. In the yellow box, it says to find what part of a lesser number is of a greater number. Write the lesser number over the greater number to make a fraction. If necessary, reduce the fraction to lowest terms. In other words, put your small number as the numerator, your big number as the denominator, and reduce if necessary. So if you were asked the question, what fraction of 9 hours, what fraction of 36 hours is 9 hours? You could say small number, numerator, big number, denominator, and then reduce. I can look at this and I know that 9 can go into both of these. 9 times 4, 36. So 1/4. If I were to say, I made videos for 4 hours today. What fraction of the total day did I make videos? Well, a total day has 24 hours. So my denominator is going to be 24. And I worked for 4 of those hours on videos. So it was 4/24. Can this get smaller? Yeah. 4 can go into both of those, can't it? So 1/6. 1/6 of my 24-hour day was spent making videos if I videoed for 4 hours in the day. It's that easy. Put the small number on top, big number on bottom, reduce if necessary. Let's look at 1A. Brian volunteered to help Mr. Jackson plant his garden over the summer. He worked a total of 27 hours. Mr. Jackson insisted on paying Brian for 9 hours. What part of the time he worked was he paid? Remember, we kind of talked about that in one of our Bible lessons, didn't we? You do the work and you go out and you do it just to do it. But sometimes people are so grateful that they want to give you a little something to thank you. And that's what happened here. So let's see how much Mr. Jackson paid him for. What fraction? What's the big number? 27. What's the small number? 9. He paid him for 9/27. But 9 and 27 can be reduced by 9. 9 goes into 9 one time, goes into 27 3 times. He paid him for 1/3 of the time that he worked. That's all you're doing for that lesson. Now, real quick. 48, 7, 24, 12, 15, 10, 20. Try to get you some harder ones. 63, 36, 88. Good job.